In this video, we will be looking into the newest AC technology and enterprise products, the Ubiquiti AC Lite, Long Range, and Pro. The Ubiquiti AC Lite features 802.11 AC technology and a sleek, compact design, making it ideal for cost-effective, high-performance wireless networks. With dual radio performance, the Ubiquiti AC Lite delivers gigabit speeds in a refined industrial design half the size of previous access points. Also delivering gigabit speeds, the Ubiquiti AC Long Range features an innovative antenna design that provides a far-reaching, symmetrical link coverage area for better performance with distant clients. The Ubiquiti AC Pro provides maximum performance with 3x3 MIMO technology on both 5 and 2.4 GHz radio bands and a versatile indoor-outdoor design. With support for 802.3 AF and existing mounting kits, the Ubiquiti AC Pro is designed to quickly upgrade your existing UAP deployments. All three of these new Ubiquiti AC access points come with the newly redesigned Ubiquiti controller software. The controller was improved in order to optimize RF performance, making it ideal for high-density client deployments requiring low latency and high uptime performance. It comes with features such as spectral analysis, band steering, and airtime fairness. This software allows for unlimited scalability under one centralized controller and remote access to upgrade deployed Ubiquiti APs from anywhere. For more information, you can download product datasheets by following the link in the description or visit ubnt.com/download. To purchase any of these products today, contact a local distributor located worldwide or check out the Ubiquiti online store.